Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk to you about your concept of time and how fast time is passing by. So a lot of people worry about time, they think about time, and they realize that time is passing them by. And the number one regret I hear from people is that they didn't start soon enough. Do you have that regret too? You just didn't start soon enough, didn't make enough happen? A lot of people get their concept of time wrong. You always think you have more time. The thing is, you don't know how much time you personally have. You don't know how much time anybody else has. The Mayans didn't know how much time they had either. They had this massively so-called accurate calendar, and when it ended, everyone thought the world was going to end, and guess what? Absolutely nothing different happened. But what happens when you just stop one day, when your calendar runs out, when your time runs out? What do you want to be able to say you've done? If you're waiting around to do your first deal, it's time to stop waiting and start doing, because you don't know how much time you have. That's not to be morbid, that's to be honest. That's to think about what's actually happening in life. So my encouragement to you is to get out there and make it happen now. Get your real estate deals going now so you can be living the life that you want to have now. It's Tom Zeeb from Chichen Itza signing off. Bye.